All you want give me answer. All you want do you know I want you?
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I am back with another video. And today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a little hack that I use to do my own eyebrows. So as you can see, first of all, I barely have any eyebrows. Let y'all see what we're working with. We're working with nothing, actually. But, we're gonna do a little something to make it look like I got a little something. Period. So first things first, you're going to need an eyebrow pencil. You're gonna need some rubbing alcohol or something to just clean off the brow. You're going to need a razor blade. Now I got these from my China shop. This is what it looks like, and this is what one blade looks like. Oh wait, how do I get this out? So this is what it looks like. So first things first, I'm gonna just get some of this alcohol here, put it on a cotton swab and just clean off the brow first. And then we're gonna do a little pat dry. Gonna brush it. Alright, now I need to zoom you in. So just ignore any acne or anything. Yeah. So I have my mirror here. So I'm gonna be looking down and just doing a rough outline of how I would normally do my brows. So yeah. Alright, so that's the outline. And we're gonna take the spoolie here and just fill it in so you can see how you'd want your brow to look. And then all you have to do is just get rid of the hairs that are not in the shaded region. I use this light brown specifically because it's bright, so I can see where the stray hairs are. We're gonna trim in this direction, so not that direction, in this direction, the opposite in which the hair grows. So, oh my god! Alright, so we're just gonna. So you see there's a little bit more that can be taken off. I'm actually gonna just leave that alone Yeah, we're gonna leave that alone, and then we're just gonna focus on the top part now. So now that I got the bottom hairs and the top hairs, now you see when I brush up, like you see the hairs coming above the line, that's where scissors come in. So BRB, gotta get my scissors. So after you get your scissors, you're gonna wanna brush up. Then you're gonna take your hair scissors, like so, and then you're just gonna like cut off the top. Just like that. Then you're gonna brush down. And do the same exact thing on the bottom. Alright, we're just gonna we're gonna leave this alone. And then we're gonna take the cotton swab, put some more alcohol on it. Then we're just going to wipe off and that, ladies and gentlemen, is your brow. You just, pat dry. And that's it. That's your brow. So you see the difference? Ooh, oh my gosh, what a difference. Wow. You can see that there's a little thing going on right here. Like, my eyebrows are just so weird. So it doesn't matter, I can always fill that in, but you get the gist of how to do the top, bottom, and to trim it up with scissors. So I'm gonna do the next side. It's basically the same exact thing. I kind of have a harder time doing my left brow because it's a stubborn brow. But yeah, let's get it. Afterwards, this lighting is so harsh, super harsh. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and tell me if this helped you in any way. Period.
Period.
See ya.